Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your REALME 14T into the lost IMEI.info database. Alright, so in here, in this bar, we need to type the IMEI number of our phone. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the all possible checking options on that site. And also, in that video, I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your phone. Okay, so once you have typed your IMEI number, click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now, as you can see, we have our REALME 14T. We need to now scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks. And now we need to click on Lost Device Add. Okay, add lost device to IMEI.info database. In here, our IMEI number has been copied automatically and pasted. But if you have that option, you can also type the second IMEI number and also the serial number if you want. Alright, now below, under the city, we need to type the city where we lost our device. Below, we need to type the IMEI number because it will be needed later. Now the phone number, and remember to type it with the country code. So for Poland it's +48. Then type your phone number. Below, type the price and the value of the recovery reward in the US dollars. So let's say it will be $45 if someone will find it. Below, type the country, and now description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. Remember that the description should be as much precise as you can type it, because it might help with finding it later. So just give me a second, and now I will type an example of the description. Alright, so that is an example of the description. Remember that the description should be as much precise as possible. Alright, below type the contact name. Below type the incident date, and remember to enter it in that format. So first type the year, then the month, and then the day. Alright, below we have the agreements. You need to agree to both of them. Simply select those small boxes. And now click on this blue button, report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, thanks for reporting. And now we need to verify our request. So we need to open up our mail. You can also see it right in here. So get into your mail. You can see that we have message from the IMEI.info. Now click on verify your request. And now our report has been successfully verified. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.